Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here because you want to add SVG graphics to your Wix site, and you're curious about what's changed with Wix Editor X, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring crisp, scalable SVGs into your site on Wix Studio, and you'll understand how the platform has evolved, so you can make the most of its latest features. Let's dive in. First things first, you might have noticed that Wix Editor X is no longer available as its own platform. Starting January 2025, Wix made a big shift by integrating Editor X into their new powerhouse called Wix Studio. It's designed mainly for agencies and enterprises, but don't worry, that just means you get even more professional tools and flexibility no matter how you work. So if you're looking for those advanced design features you loved in Editor X, just head straight over to Wix.com and start building your site with Wix Studio. Alright, let's get right into uploading your SVGs. SVG files are so valuable because they keep your graphics crisp and clear at any size, which is perfect for responsive design and high-resolution displays. The process here is refreshingly simple, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you get all the details. Once you're inside Wix Studio and working on your website, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a section labeled Media. Give that a click. It's your one-stop shop for all your images, videos, and graphics. From here, find the Upload button. It's usually a prominent option, and it might say something like Upload Media or just Upload. Click on Upload, and now you can select your SVG files from your computer. Maybe it's your new logo, a set of custom icons, or an illustration you've just finished. If you feel like you're not seeing SVG as a supported file type, don't worry, Wix Studio is fully compatible with SVGs, so as long as your file is saved in the correct format, you're good to go. Once you hit Upload, the platform will take a moment to process your file, especially if it's a more complex SVG with lots of paths and layers. That's normal. It's just making sure your graphic is ready to be used anywhere on your site. After the upload completes, your SVG will appear in your media library right alongside your other images and assets. Now you can drag and drop it onto any page, section, or element just like you would with a standard image file. One tip here. SVGs are resolution independent, so if you're working on a site that supports Retina displays or needs mobile-friendly graphics, using SVGs is a great move. You'll notice your logo stays sharp, whether it's in the footer, header, or scaled across a huge banner image. And hey, if you ever aren't sure if your SVG uploaded correctly, click on it in your media library for a quick preview. Sometimes you'll spot an issue with the way it displays, maybe a missing color or detail. So it's a perfect way to double-check before you place it on your site. So that's it. In just a couple of clicks, you'll be able to bring SVG graphics into your Wix Studio site, making your design look professional and modern. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you're running into any trouble. I love helping out, so let me know what you need. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!